and knows the deep secrets of the entire universe. As let me introduce, this is my friend. He is from abroad, so he had been too much busy in his works. So I hardly took a little bit time to welcome him here, as he may visit us, he may have a discussion with us, and he may give his precious time to us as a guest in this function. So today we have organized here the group discussion, and in this group discussion we are going to manage team A, team B, and out of this we are going to put impromptu topic for today. The topic is either Muslims have lost the glory or not. So I would say, who will start this? Either what topic are you going to choose? Either Muslims have lost the glory or not, or Muslims have not lost the glory, or Muslims have lost the glory. What do you select?
Muslims have lost their glory.
Muslims have lost the glory. And for you people, what do you say? Muslims have not lost the glory. Okay, so Muslims have lost the glory and Muslims have not lost the glory. We have two teams here. This is completely team A in this class and team B right here. Approximately, we at the Dars English Grammar Language Academy, we are managing this function. So I would like you to bell the cat. Who is going to bell the cat of this topic? Who is going to? Yes, please.
I want to start this discussion with these mega lines. मनफत एक है इस कौम की, नुकसान भी है एक ही है, सबका नबी, दीन भी, ईमान भी है, घर में पाक भी, अल्लाह भी, कुरान भी है, कुछ बड़ी बात ही होनी जो मुसलमान भी है. Unity is strength. If we stand and divided we fall. If we stand we shall have the glory. But very sorry to say, we are not glorified. But as Saudi Arabia and Iran, they are fighting with each other. It is not fight of weapons, it is a fight of ideas, it is a fight of politicians, it is a fight of the religion, sectarianism.
Who is going to talk about this? Yes, is there anyone else who will reply?
Today the world has been led by Muslims Ummah to knowledge and prosperity. We Muslims are spreading rapidly. Recently, the great geologist Frank Press has mentioned in his famous book that in 2017 in every corner of the Muslims in every corner of the world there will be only Muslims and there will be only a religion, Islam. And in other cases, Allah Almighty has already mentioned in Holy Quran chapter number 8 verse number 9, "Wa Allaha mal mu'minin." I am with Muslims. If the maker, checker and wrecker of entire universe then we shall no doubt that since the evolution of Islam, since the evolution of man, Islam is the first religion, peace or prosperity. My brother said, geologist about the Islamic Muslim scientists. It is true that we hate Muslim scientists. We hate Ibn Battuta, Ibn al-Sina, Abu Nasir. We hate Ibn scientists. No one could compare them. If today we have scientists, so can we compare them to the Noam Chomsky, who has reshaped the field of psychology? Can we compare the theories of psychology to the Alain Guth? They are allied scientists. They are reshaping. They are helping us. They are helping us understanding to our subjects in everything we are doing. They are helping us. And you said Allah is with us. And you know that Allah is with Muslims. Allah is with everyone. Allah doesn't say that I'm only with Muslims. I'm only with all the humanity. Allah is with all the humanity.
Allah is with all the humanity. Who is there? Yes, please.
Is Mr. Ghulam Rasool, you are moving for that Muslim scientists are not presented. The Albert Hubbard said, no machine is existed that can work the extraordinary means that can work the astute person. As for instance, can computer invent a machine? No. Because we people have invented the machine and we people can invent any other machine. As you said that Muslim scientists are not presented, it is not so. That if the Muslim scientists are not presented, means the Muslims have lost the glory.
Yes, please.
As Ghulam said, the Muslim scientist, my brother, for your kind information, it was Frank Press who declared that till 2070 Islam will be in every corner in his book Earth. It was Frank Press, not a Muslim. And who will spread? We also Muslims. And for Muslims, Allah is saying in Holy Quran in Surah Al-Fal, verse number 4, chapter number 8, para number 9, Ulaika humul mu'minun haqqa, and these are the true believers. لهم درجات عند ربهم ومغفرة ورزق كريما. And for them there is status to their Lord and forgivenesses and honorable food. We are the Muslims and Allah is ordering with these.
As I'm going to mention the hadith of Holy Prophet ﷺ, the giver of bribe or the taker of bribe, the one who arranges it, they will find themselves in a...
We can remember the victories of Salahuddin Ayyubi, Khulafai Rashidin. We were victorious, but since we have started fighting with each other, we are fallen. As Allah says in Holy Quran, chapter number 10, verse number 42, Innamal mu'minina ikhwato, having no suspicious, Muslim is the brother of Muslim. Here, Muslim is the mother of Muslim.
Objection, sir.
Yes, please.
Objection, sir.
Sir, Indonesian's PM was converted into Hinduism in 1931. Sir, still Muslims are converting into other religion because there is no glory between the Muslims. They are fighting with each other. As the Israel attack on Palestine, where are the Muslims? Why they are not talking about Palestine? Where we are? Is it our glory?
Are always successful. As today you can see every country you can see, or every people you are saying that in Pakistan or in every country there is a breakup time of breakup time. As in our academy there is breakup time in which we go to mosque to offer prayer. So it is glory.
There is something they have to solve this problem through dialogue. It doesn't matter when somebody is going to attack or killing you, you should kill them. It's not allowed in Islam, and also Allah said, La tafirku. Don't be from the states as they are saying that we people are in a state. As also Holy Prophet ﷺ mentioned there will be 73 states in the Muslims.
Objection, sister.
Sir, if it is not the duty of to kill the Muslims, then why the Awanis, they were killing to our innocent people? So, as in Afghanistan, they are coming to the Pakistan, killing innocents. Even in the group of the Daesh, they are attacking on our innocent people. Still, should we say we are glorified? It means we have lost the glory. What glory, my brother is talking about? The glory we have, as the Arabs used to fight before the advent of Islam. We have got that thing. We are in Muslims fighting, and the means everything, every immorality, the modesty we have. There's no modesty in the eyes of men, women's Muslims, and also the women's men's. What are they doing?
Come on, you want to.
My brother says we have a glory. Which type of glory? Ayaz Nizami, a Pakistani scholar, he become atheist.
Islam teaches that Muslim the women must do hijab. Which kinds of glory is this? The Muslims we wear such kinds of half shirt and pants. Which kinds of the glory is this?
Which kind of glory we have? Which kind of glory we have?
Sir, from the beginning today till today, no any Muslim changes religion, and non-Muslims are changing their religion and accepted Islam. We have their glory, Muslim have their glory because they know Muslim have their glory and they are changing their religion to Islam.
And the Chinese President Xi Jinping said Pakistan has economic capability to be the Asian tiger of the world, and in 2016 Pakistan would be the Asian tiger.
Yes.
Today Muslims have lost the brotherhood. Today a Muslim abuses other Muslims. Today Muslim abuse other Muslims. Today Muslim cheats with other Muslims. Today our politicians are not true with our nation. So how could be a Muslim true with another Muslim? If you see in the history of Umar Farooq radiyallahu anhu, he said if even a dog dies on hunger in my governing, it is responsibility of mine. But today our elected dogs are biting us. It is not the glory.
As the bank is concerned, I'm going to quote from Holy Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 278. Ya ayyuhallazina mu'minun, uttaqullaha wa zaru ma baqaya urriba in kuntum mu'minin. O you who believe, fear Allah and give back what remains duty of interest if you are a believer. Chapter number 2, verse number 279. فَإِلَّمْ تَفْعَلُوا فَأَذَنُوا بِحَرْبٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ. And if you don't, there'll be warned of war against there'll be warned of war against you from Allah and His Messenger. To give either the giver of taker of interest is committing riba. To commit a riba is one of the major sins in Islam.
Yes, my father is saying right. we are being Muslim. We are being Muslim. Muslims are selling the unlawful meat of unlawful animals as dog, donkeys. But the zakat has went from Muslims and interest is come to Muslims.
The life of Muslims became darker as a result, and the sun of their pride, dignity became absent. And now Muslims began to killing his brothers on the inch of land. We see the blood of Muslims being spilled morning and evening without a rescue on the handful agent who control them.
These are not Muslims. These are anti-Pakistanis who are killing the Muslims through the target killing. These are target killing the Muslims. These are not Muslims. As sir shows us in multimedia, they are tattoo on the backside. The Muslim not get tattoo on their backside on the hand because it's not allowed.
Muslim have lost the glory. When Pakistan was making the nuclear bomb, then she had the need of the petrol, and Iran had given the petrol to the Pakistan because both are the Muslim countries, and this is a symbol of United Britain.
Once upon a time, I saw one Muslim delivering lecture in auditorium about the Muslims. He said that wake up men, wake up, it's time to rise, no more terrorism. Wake up men, wake up, it's time to rise, no more inequality. Wake up men, wake up, it's time to rise, no more injustice. Yet I am looking everywhere terror in Muslim, yet I am looking everywhere injustice in Muslim, yet I am looking everywhere inequality in Muslim. Yet I am saying about the
Move. Either Muslims have lost the glory.
Yes.
Have Muslims lost the glory?
Yes.
Okay. Have Muslims lost the glory?
No.
Thank you very much.